After unzipping and downloading files to your device with appropriate license, you will find a folder with your components. Each component has 4 folders containing PNG files at 150 ppi, JPEG files at 300 ppi, SVG files ready to drag and drop to any project, and Illustrator files. One with a whole set of 100% editable files, and the second is a bonus. You will find a make-your-own Illustrator file. So let's take a closer look at that. When you open your file, you will find 5 individual layers with 5 skin tones and a background, which you can toggle on and off in case you don't want to have any background for your project. You can change the background color by unlocking the layer and selecting the desired color variation that best fits your brief. Each set has 4 different styles of glasses. All hairstyle layers are named in 2 categories: front hair and back hair. Some layer names have assigned letters that correspond to back hair layer names. For example, hair front H goes with a layer hair back H. Hair front B and B2 and G pairs with a hair back B, or hair back B2, or hair back BG. You will also find a different set of accessories which you can toggle on and off as needed. When you open the mail folder, you will see 4 different styles of glasses in each set. The hairstyle layers are grouped into front hair and back hair categories. Some layers are labeled with letters that match the back hair layer names. For instance, hair front B goes with a hair back B. But of course, you're always welcome to experiment or create your own hairstyle. Remember, if you want to change colors at any point, you can add a project-specific palette. This gives you a flexibility to create a unique character suitable to your project. Thank you, and happy creating your own avatar.